I recently facilitated a virtual workshop for doctoral students in the nurse anesthesia program at the University of Louisville. We started with therapeutic comedy exercises, tools they can use to turn their stressors into jokes and practice adding levity to lighten tough moments. Here's what that looked like.
Your evaluation won't hurt my feelings. At least that's what I tell people.
I like to look up my CRNA on Google, Facebook the night before I'm with them, but not in a creepy way.
Next, we explored how AI tools like ChatGPT can be used for emotional support. I shared some mental health prompts I've designed, gave participants time to experiment with those prompts, and then we discussed their experiences.
It's nice to just have positive reinforcement versus tough love, I should say.
In a demanding field like nursing, using comedy to reframe challenges and AI as a pause button to find calm can help maintain healthy perspectives and build resilience.